Greetings, I greet you all. My name is Abarama Ozomiri. Happy New Year to you all. I declare in our lives this new year abundance of life, promotion in our destinies, connection, prosperity, favor, protection, and as I declare, so shall it be. Ise. Our topic for the day is what you should do this period to be able to attract your ancestors' blessings. What you should do. This is for especially those that traveled to their various homes. There are things you need to do. Do you know that some people that are doing very well in their businesses, immediately they travel home for Christmas or New Year celebration and return back to their base, some of them will start having problems in their businesses or even in their homes, even in their working places. Some people will call it witchcraft or village people attacking them. Most times, these things are not witchcraft or village people attacking you, especially those people that have ancestors altar, those people that their ancestors raised an ancient altars in their various homes. Maybe the altar have been destroyed or have been abandoned, but you feel that, oh, maybe because they have destroyed it or there are people abandoning it, that it is no longer working. I want you to know that this thing can become a very big hindrance to you and can affect your blessings this year. Because when you travel from your place of origin to another state or to another country to go and hustle, okay, to go and do your business or whatever you're doing there. These forces are your ancestral altars and powers, okay? They have to do what? Introduce you to the ancestors' altar of the place where you are doing your business. And that is why you are being recognized in that place. That is why what you are doing there is favoring you. So, what do you need to do? What do you need to do when you come back for Christmas or New Year celebration after staying away for years or for months? The first thing you should do, if you're someone who is deeply rooted, is to take out a piece of kola nut and gin or beer or palmy or wine to acknowledge your ancestors and thank them for bringing you back home safely. You have to acknowledge them first. Now, you watching this video, you listening to me, if you know that you have not acknowledged your ancestors, you've not acknowledged your paternal forces or your maternal forces, especially your paternal forces, your ancestral altars and foundational spirits, if you know that you've not acknowledged them since you came back and you are planning to go, please hold on. It is not a must that you have to, you know, do a major sacrifice, but you can at least acknowledge them with your kola nut or gin. You that did not travel to the village, you can as well summon them where you are and pour libations to them. Thank them. Thank them for carrying you along. Okay? And beg them to do what? To stay with you throughout this year. Even though you are not at home, they should come to where you are and partake from whatever that you are giving to them. Because most times a lot of people think that the things that our ancestors needed from them is to erect an altar, a special altar or a special deity for them. No. Most times what these entities need is doing what? Acknowledging them. That is why I talk about power from the east. Wherever you are, you can actually communicate with your ancestors or with your spirit guide or with your forces, the powers that be with you through the power of the east. So you don't want to say that village people are attacking you. Acknowledge your ancestors now before you return back to your base. There is every punishment or every hindrance that comes with anybody that come back home after some time out, or after some years or months out. You now come back to your place without doing what? Without acknowledging your ancestors. There are punishments, there are consequences that comes with these things, and you wouldn't want to go back to your base and start having problems in your business or in your office because of ordinary kola nut and drink which you can afford at any time. Reconnect and do what? Acknowledge your ancestors and your spirit guide now. Let them help you, be with you as you travel, introduce you to people that matter, help you to lift you, help you to open your doors. Because this is whom we are. We are Africans and we have roots and we are connected to our roots, which are our ancestors and our natural forces of nature. Be you anything you believe in, without your ancestors, I am sorry for you. So please do this. You can do it for doing sake. If you did not do this last year, try doing it this time. Come back and give testimony, because what our ancestors appreciate so much is acknowledgement, and that we must give to them. Thank you so much and remain blessed. If you have any question, you direct it to my WhatsApp. Bye for now.